You can easily convert MP3 or MP4A files into MP4R files, making ringtones. To do that, just search for ZAMZAR, ZAMZAR, online file conversion on Google. And you can, for free, convert 2 files per day. Once you did the conversion, which takes about 1 minute only, you could then install this ringtone on your iPhone using either iTunes, or I recommend a program called WALTR2, Volt2, which is an excellent program and really replaces iTunes quite nicely. Okay, good luck. and in a few days, you could have tens and tens of ringtones for free on your iPhone.